Welcome to the best pick. The best werewolf teeth is probably one of the most exciting and transformative accessories your child can wear, instantly turning them into a creature of the night for Halloween, costume parties, or imaginative play, offering a thrilling blend of spooky fun and realistic detail that truly completes any lycanthropic look, making sure they stand out with a howl-worthy smile that's both convincing and comfortable for hours of monstrous adventures. Number 5. Scarecrow Werewolf Deluxe Custom Fangs. Transform into a creature of the night with these incredible fangs. They are designed for a truly authentic and terrifying look. Each set is custom fitted to your teeth, ensuring comfort and a secure hold. You'll forget you're even wearing them. Crafted with meticulous detail, they mimic real fangs perfectly. Their natural color and shape will fool everyone. Applying them is quick and straightforward, taking just minutes. Plus, you can reuse them for many frightful occasions. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, they are built to last. These will endure countless transformations. What we like? These fangs offer a truly custom fit for a realistic look. If you're a serious cosplayer or want the most authentic transformation, this is your pick. Its superior quality ensures a perfect, comfortable fit every time. What people say. Number 4. Exlinonline Werewolf Wolf Costume Kit. Transform into a captivating creature of the night with this complete costume. It's perfect for anyone looking to make a memorable impression. This kit includes everything you need: a detailed headband, matching gloves, expressive ears, and a realistic tail. Each piece is designed for comfort and authenticity. Whether you're an adult or a child, a man or a woman, this costume is designed to fit all. It offers a fantastic way for anyone to join the fun. Get ready for the spookiest night of the year. This all-in-one accessory kit ensures you'll be the star of any Halloween party or trick-or-treating adventure. Forget piecing together separate items. This kit provides a hassle-free solution. Simply put it on and instantly embody the spirit of the wolf. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a full werewolf transformation. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for any age or gender, this set makes dressing up incredibly easy and fun. What people say. Number 3. Dreidel Company Halloween Neon Fangs Teeth. Get ready to transform your Halloween party or any themed event into an unforgettable experience. These fangs will add a unique atmosphere, creating lasting memories for all your guests. Ideal for imaginative dress-up and exciting pretend play, they offer endless entertainment for children. Kids can enjoy hours of creative fun with these vibrant accessories. Looking for the perfect present? These fangs make an excellent gift for any occasion, especially Halloween. They're also fantastic prizes for party games and activities. Beyond gifts, they are perfect for birthday party favors, fair game prizes, or carnival rewards. You can also include them in piñatas, classroom rewards, and holiday goodie bags. Available in convenient 12, 24, and 50 packs, there's a size for every need. Share them with family and friends to spread the spooky fun around. What we like? Coming in a generous 12-pack, these neon fangs are all about fun and sharing. If you're hosting a party or need multiple favors, these vibrant teeth are perfect for adding a playful touch. What people say. Number 2. Halloween Glow Fangs 12-pack. Get ready to transform your look with these exciting fangs. They are perfect for adding a spooky touch to any occasion. These teeth are fantastic for your Halloween party or any themed event. They will bring a unique atmosphere that guests will remember. Watch them light up the night. These fangs glow in the dark, adding an extra layer of thrill to your costume. Children adore these fangs for dress-up and pretend play. They provide hours of imaginative entertainment. Whether it's a spooky character or a playful monster, these fangs inspire creativity. Your little ones will have so much fun with them. Each pack contains 12 pieces, ensuring there are enough for friends or multiple costume changes. Share the fun with everyone. What we like? These fangs truly stand out by glowing in the dark, adding an extra spooky element. If you want to make a memorable impression at a nighttime event or enjoy extended imaginative play, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Disney Zombies 2 Addison Werewolf Costume. Step into the world of Disney Zombies 2 with this authentic Addison werewolf costume. It's designed for young fans ready to embrace their inner werewolf. Crafted from 100% polyester with faux fur accents, this outfit ensures comfort for all-day wear. It's perfect for any adventure your child imagines. This ensemble features a detailed vest with bone teeth, just like in the movie. These authentic touches make it truly stand out. Whether it's for Halloween, a themed party, or imaginative play, this costume is ideal. Your child will love transforming into their favorite character. It pairs wonderfully with other Zombies 2 costumes like Zed, Willa, and Eliza. Gather your pack and recreate your favorite movie moments together. To keep this costume looking its best, simply spot clean or hand wash it. Please note, the wig is not included with the outfit. What we like? This is a complete, movie-accurate costume from Disney Zombies 2. If your child is a fan of the movie and wants to embody Addison, this outfit provides an authentic and immersive experience. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.